So this is the video about why I took 6 months of leave, why thousands of kilometers away the mountains and the waterfalls were calling, and why I got burned out. Wait, it's a long list, so let me read it out. It all started from a decision to fly away from my home country when I finally received my passport with that German visa with an instruction to pack up and leave within a couple of weeks. I saw my parents with a smile on their faces for my happiness sake, but heartbroken inside as their second kid was about to leave their nest. It all started from leaving your parents behind to 7 hours of layovers, to landing a foreign land after 19 hours with a language you do not understand, to not being able to find a place to stay, to sleeping on a leather couch that you're allergic to in a minus 10 degrees of winters at your friend's place for a month, to making new friends but not being able to adjust well in that group, to missing your home food, to staying inside all day long watching something on laptop while eating cheap student foods, to not being able to understand the health system for 3 years, to vomiting on the floor and fainting on the bed and cleaning it up in the morning all by myself and still not going to a doctor, to having literal dreams of for 2 years of flying back to your home country, to your friends and family, to struggling to find a job, any job, to saving every last cent I can, to not being able to score all that well in studies, to struggling to decide on a career, to getting married even before your job gets confirmed, to missing out on your friends and cousins' wedding, to missing all the amazing trips back home, to missing sharing happiness and sorrows with your people, to finding a new apartment for family and accidentally finding out one that's shared with 3 other boys. After a long wait of family reunion visa, to starting a family in an unknown land in COVID time, to sleepless nights, to immense responsibilities, taxes, to unknown expenses, to maintaining, cleaning, managing and groceries, work, dreams, career, side hustles, family, health, budgeting, investing, securing future, to being stuck in a small apartment for days with no sun, and the most painful, to losing a parent after living away from them for 8 long years, to winter depression, to low vitamin Ds, to getting my first surgery, to packing and shifting, to losing all interest in life, to having no path to follow, to having no directions, to having a long list of things to do day after day, to sitting in the corner and crying, to having many coaching sessions, to getting a low development needed ranking at your work despite having an amazing 10 years long career, to getting a notice from a landlord to kick out our tenants in 2 weeks, just 3 days before your flight of 6 months leave, is where I realize nothing matters except for your mental health. This is where I realize I got burnt out, and it took me almost 2 months and a few trips to mountains to unburn myself. Go out, find your mountains and unburn yourself. शुरू में मैंने सोचा कि यार जर्नलिंग ट्राई करनी चाहिए, पर जर्नलिंग से बंदा सेल्फ अवेयर तो हो सकता है लेकिन अनबर्न नहीं हो सकता। इसलिए फिर हम ढूंढने चले सम वाटरफॉल्स। आई नो यहाँ पे आवाज़ तो नहीं आएगी, लेकिन दिस इज आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वाटरफॉल्स यू कैन गेट इन पाकिस्तान। देयर आर बेटर वंस बट आई रियली लाइक दिस वन। अच्छा, डोंट टेक मी रॉन्ग, मैं किसी को डिस्करेज नहीं कर रहा कि वो हार्ड वर्क ना करे या फिर अब्रॉड ना जाए। इनफैक्ट इस चैनल पे वी विल गाइड यू कि आप अब्रॉड कैसे जा सकते हैं या कौन कौन से कंट्रीज में आपको जाना चाहिए। बट द पॉइंट इज़ कि लाइफ में लेट्स नॉट जस्ट गेट इनटू वर्क ऑल द टाइम, इट्स ऑल्सो गुड टू हैव फन एट टाइम्स। जैसे कि अगर आपके पास लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा वक्त है तो वाई कंप्लीट ऑल द थिंग्स इन वन डे। अगर आपके पास वक्त कम है, लेट्स हैव अ बिट ऑफ फन। और अगर आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देख लिया है तो प्लीज़ कंसिडर टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, कमेंट समथिंग एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल। एंड इफ़ यू हैव गॉन थ्रू सिमिलर इवेंट्स जो कि मुझसे गुजरे, या फिर यू फील लाइक दैट यू आर बर्निंग आउट, एंड कम विद मी, एंजॉय द वाटरफॉल अ बिट and take a break and consider taking a bit of break from your work as well. मुझे ये ट्रिप इतना अच्छा लगा कि राइट आफ्टर 1 वीक वी वेंट फॉर मरी, और माल रोड तो मैं कोई 10 से 15 साल बाद गया, तो उसकी वीडियो विल बी नेक्स्ट, आई विल पोस्ट इट समवेयर हियर। और उसके बाद वी विल ऑल्सो कवर कि जर्मनी में जॉब मार्केट किस तरह की है और अपॉर्चुनिटी कार्ड को आप कैसे अवेल कर सकते हैं। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड।